In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple related records using a Salesforce Screen Flow. First, log into your Salesforce org and open Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and select it, then click New Flow. Choose Screen Flow. A screen flow guides users through screens where they enter information, and then the flow uses that input to create, update, or fetch records behind the scenes. No code required. Open the toolbox and click New Resource. A resource is a container the flow uses to store and pass data around. Select Variable as the resource type, because we want a place to hold the user's inputs. Give it an API name, set the data type to record, and choose the contact object. Click Done to save it. Create another new resource the same way. We need a second variable so the flow can work with additional records in a structured way. Again, choose Variable, enter an API name, set data type to record, pick Contact, and click Done. Now add an element to the canvas and choose Screen. A screen element is what the user sees. It collects inputs with components like text boxes and phone fields. Give the screen a clear label, and notice the API name fills in automatically. From the Components panel, drag a text component onto the screen and label it. Its API name will autofill too. Add a phone component as well, and set its API name so it's easy to reference later. When the screen looks good, click Done. Next, add another element and choose Create Records. This action takes the data you've captured and writes it into Salesforce. Enter a label and let the API name auto-populate. Select the contact record variable you created earlier, for example, var contact, so the flow knows which fields to use when creating the record. Add the last element and choose Get Records. This lets the flow retrieve existing data based on criteria, which is helpful when you need related records. Provide a label and accept the auto-filled API name. Set the object to contact. For the filter, use account ID as the field and choose your collection value, such as call contacts, so you're targeting the correct related records. Account ID links a contact to its account, ensuring you're working with records that belong together. Choose to get all records so the flow returns every match, not just the first one. Click Save, give the flow a descriptive flow label, confirm the API name, and save again. Quick recap. You created a screen flow, defined variables, built a screen for input, created records from those inputs, and retrieved related contacts by account ID. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.